today. Before I start, let me introduce myself. Me. Today I am standing here to finish my final test and talk about something very close to my heart. I want to talk about the city where I live, Jakarta. Jakarta is a busy city with many tall buildings and malls. But behind the modern life, Jakarta has a legendary food that everyone must try. It is called kerak telur. Kerak telur is more than just food. It is symbol of the Betawi people and the history of Jakarta. Now, let me describe how special kerak telur is. If you go to Monas or Kota Tua, you will see sellers sitting on a small wooden stool with a traditional basket. They don't use a modern gas stove. Instead, they use a small charcoal stove called anglo. This is very important because the charcoal gives a special smoky smell to the food. First, the seller puts sticky rice into a small pan. Then they add an egg. You can choose a chicken egg, but I recommend a duck egg because it's bigger and tastier. They mix it with a special spice like ginger, pepper, and salt. But wait, here is the most exciting part. When the egg is half cooked, the seller will turn the pan upside down. The food faces the fire directly. Don't worry, it won't fall because the sticky rice makes it stay on the pan. This process makes the kerak telur crunch and a little bit burnt, which is why we call it kerak or crust. After it is cooked, the seller puts it on the plate, but it's not finished yet. They add serundeng on top. Serundeng is grated coconut that has been roasted until it turns brown. It is sweet and savory. Then they add ebi or dried shrimp powder and some fried shallot. Can you imagine the taste? When you take a bite, you can feel crunchier of the rice, the creamier of the duck egg, and the sweet savory taste of the coconut. It is party in your mouth. I remember when I was a child, my parents always took me to the Jakarta Fair just to eat this. The sound of the charcoal crackling and the smell of the spicy in the air always make me feel happy. It tastes like home. However, I see young people today prefer to eat fast food like fried chicken or burger from big brands. That is not wrong, but we must not forget our own culture. If we don't eat kerak telur, the seller will stop cooking it, and our children in the future will never know what it is. You can promote kerak telur very easy. If you buy one, please take a photo or video, post it on your Instagram or TikTok. Tell your followers that Jakarta has traditional pizza that is very delicious. We can also invite our friends from outside Jakarta to try it. By doing this, we support the local economy and we keep our tradition alive for many years to come. In conclusion, kerak telur is a masterpiece from Jakarta. It is a simple, traditional, and very tasty. I hope after watching this video, you are very hungry and want to find a kerak telur seller nearby. Let's love our local culture and be proud of our heritage. Thank you very much for your kind of attention. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.